Hello, so in case you've not seen it, Gemini Nano Banana is now available in CrawlQ, and this is a really powerful image generation model, so take advantage of it. So I've just got an example I'm going to try here. This is one from a while ago, so it just says LinkedIn content strategy for attracting small business owners, and it's like a posting cadence. And so what I'm going to do is I've got Nano Banana selected. So I'm going to say make an infographic for LinkedIn content strategy. So that took a couple of minutes. Let's have a look at the results. It's looking pretty good. So LinkedIn content strategy, the growth cycle, plan and create the content mix, optimize formats, engage and distribute. I mean, look at this. This looks really good. The thing I'm looking out for, though, more than anything with an AI image, is really obvious typos that look really bad. I'm not spotting any. If you spot any, let me know. But I think that is a fantastic little image. And you could use that in a blog, or if you're writing a book. Yeah, I like that. Well, there you go. So this is what you need to do: is come up here, select Nano Banana, and tell it what you want. I've only given it one line there, but you could probably guide it a lot more if there was something you had in mind. I didn't really have a vision for that. So experiment with it. Nano Banana is fantastic. And I see we've also now got access to Gemini 3 Pro, which a lot of people are raving about. So I'm looking forward to experimenting with that as well.